Afternoon, welcome. This is JAMB year 2011 government pass question number 17. And question number 17 here says an advantage of delegated legislation is that an advantage of delegated legislation is that. Now I want to talk of delegated legislation. Delegated legislation is the process of transferring of power, functions, or authority to subordinate body or institution in order to act on behalf of the delegator. So, and the advantage is what the question is asking, which is what merit of delegated legislation. A, ministers and lawmakers work together. B, it hastens the implementation of policy. C, much time is saved in the process. D, technical issues are handled by experts. You see, one major problem of government institution is what we call delay. So, but if power is transferred, authority is transferred to subordinate to act on certain matter, then it hastens up the implementation of policy. So option B is correct, which says it hastens the implementation of policy. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.